Website. A website is a group of web pages containing text, images, and all types of multimedia files. A website is a group of web pages. Then, what's a web page? It's a document or HTML document commonly written in HTML that is viewed in an internet browser. A web page can be accessed by entering a URL address into a browser's address bar. A web page may contain text, graphics, and hyperlinks to other web pages and files. Web page contains text, graphics, and hyperlinks to other web pages and files. This group of web pages is known as a website. What is the difference between website and web page? A web page, single document on the internet. Website means collection of related web pages linked together under same domain. We already discussed. Website means group of web pages. Then next point, web page development requires minimum amount of time. Website development takes a long time. Third point, web page has content about a single entity, but website has content about several entities. Fourth point, address of URL of web page depends on website. URL of website does not depends on any web page. Next point, it is the content that is to be displayed on a website. Website is a place used to display the content. Web page URL has an extension like .html, web page URL. But in this website, no extensions used in URL of a website. These are the differences between this website and a web page. Then static web page and a dynamic web page. Two different types of web pages are the static and dynamic web page. Static web page means that is constant. Simply we can access that according to our request, we can access the details from the server. Step 1, HTTP request to the server. Then step 2, HTTP response to the browser. That is static web page. Dynamic web page means automatically it will change. On that time, it will use that all scripting. Step 1, HTTP request to the web server. That time that server will give that particular scripting preparation. Step 2, this one, server site script prepare the web page. That is the difference between this static and dynamic web pages. Dynamic web pages dynamically, that means changes are there. That is its speciality. Then after that changes, after that scripting, that particular request from the browser, it will respond to the browser through server. HTTP response. That is dynamic web page. Static web page and a dynamic web page. Then difference between static and dynamic web pages. First one, pages will remain same until someone changes it manually. That is static web page. Dynamic web page, content of pages are different for different visitors. Second point, static web pages are written in languages such as HTML, JavaScript, CSS, etc. But in this dynamic web pages are written in languages such as CGI, Ajax, ASP, ASP.NET, etc. Static web pages less complexity, but in this dynamic web pages complicated. Static web pages informations are changed rarely, but in this dynamic web page informations are changed frequently. According to the user's request, it will change the data. Static web page, less time for loading, that is no need to change. So less time for loading, but in this dynamic web page, more time for loading. After changes happen there, that after that only it will load to the, it will respond to the client. Then static web page database is not used, but in this dynamic web page database is used. That is the difference between static and dynamic web pages. Okay. Then web server. What's a web server? A web server is a computer that stores web server software and a website's component files. Example, HTML document, images, CSS style sheet and JavaScript files. When a client sends request for a web page, the web server search for the requested page. If requested page is found, then it will send it to the client with an HTTP response. If the requested web page is not found, web server will send an HTTP response error for not found. That is the web server. A web server is a computer that stores web server softwares and websites components files. Websites component file. Everything we can store in that particular computer itself. That serve the clients. That's a web server. Then web hosting. How to host a site to that net. That is known as this web hosting. Web hosting is an online service that enables you to publish your website or web application on the internet. We have to publish our website or web application to the internet. That process is known as web hosting. How to host this website and web application to the internet. That is the another step. What is this web hosting? Publish our website or web application to the internet. When you sign up for a hosting service, you basically rent some space on a server on which you can store all the files and data necessary for your website to work properly. When you sign up for a hosting service, basically rent some space where on the server. Then the server will give some space for storing our files, and any data also we have to store there. That also we can use there itself. In that place, that space, we can store the data for our website. A server is a physical computer that runs without any interruption, so that your website is available all the time for anyone who wants to see it. Web hosting. When we are hosting a website, we have to ask some space from the server for storing our information, files and data, for the smooth execution of our website. Clear? Okay guys, I hope all of you understood about the terms included in web services. The terms are www, URL, HTTP, HTML, XML, website and web page. These all are easy topics. Study these all portions in a systematic way. Along with this video, I attached the notes and questions. Take down the notes and try to answer the questions in it. That's all about today's session. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.